What?
This is the Paw Patrol,
Mashems.
Mashems, and they're gonna do a Paw Patrol inside. Can you open it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Whoa!
There you go. So who'd you get?
That's squishy. Hey, give me
Taya.
a Donald Duck.
Oh no, we're doing the Mashems. Let's see it. So you don't know which one this is?
Mama, Daddy.
Well, we got one of the Paw Patrol puppies.
What's his name?
I'm not sure of the name, to be honest, Kara. I thought you knew the names of them.
His name is...
So on reviewing these, it looks like, so for the Mashems, they're about $5. I think they were $4.98. It comes with a little instruction manual. It doesn't really say much about it. Thank you, Taya. It's by Tech for Kids from Nickelodeon. Hi. And it looks like it's just kind of a squishy toy. Here, can I show this here? It's just kind of a squishy toy. Kira, is there anything else you want to say about this on your review? What's fun about it?
It squishes really well.
Okay. Of the 3 toys that we got today, which was your favorite?
Yay!
Where did the other ones go?
I don't know.
Taya, where'd you put the other ones? Can I see them? Can we show them off? Thank you. And then we also got the Donald Duck from the blind bag.
What does it say?
And then we got the puppy, which did not have any information listed from the Spy Barbie. Taya, which one was your favorite of these 3? The puppy, huh? You seemed pretty excited about that one.
He is... That one. Yeah, that one.
Okay. All right, is there anything else you guys want to say? Chase. Chase the puppy from Paw Patrol.
Yeah, Chase.
Anything else you guys want to say? All right. If you liked our video, give us a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe.
To watch more.
To watch more.